and the two sons. May I call our elder sister Pura to say something, who is our little darling sister Vilma in the family. So, Manang Pura,
Si Daddy.
she is our eldest. We call her Manang Pura, and she is the favorite of our Ating Vilma. Good evening, everybody. As she said that Vilma, I am the favorite, she is also my favorite sister. Vice versa. She is really my kid sister. Even when she was still young, 10 years kasi ang gap namin, I used to dance with her the blue when she was still in grade school and I was already in high school. Yung kantang tana, la 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 la, we have that music in the house. Sinasaya ko na talaga siya. And when she grew up, and then when she is in high school and I was already married, my husband told me just recently that she is also her favorite sister-in-law. And he cried a lot, which is just okay. But Father, thank you for the message. The caption there outside in 2 Timothy chapter 4, verse 7, it says that I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. That is what I have in my heart for my sister. We were very, very close every day, day and night. We keep on talking dahil sa cellphone. And I'm pretty sure that what happened to her is not our ikaw na kagustuhan, but it's the Lord. It's the Lord already will, His will. So when I saw my sister and we arrived here, my brother-in-law told me, "Sister, what will you do?" I know already in Hannah, she was brain dead. Imagine 5 cardiac arrest. That is too much. And my daughter told me, "Mommy, you have to accept it. What happened to Auntie Vilma." Really, there I cried a lot. But when I arrived here, I want to see her. I want to embrace her. I want to kiss her. I want to tell her that we love her so much. Which we did it. And luckily, nakita ko my tears sa kanyang mata. So, na-accept na namin. It's a preparation for us na ma-accept na namin. And then, the day that she passed away, the two sons also told me na we told to our mom that, "Mom, it's okay if you will go ahead because, you know, we will take care of that." And they have accepted also. So I know that the journey of my sister to the Lord has already returned. His spirit is 100% with the Lord. And his soul, I know that when Jesus Christ will come again, he was one of those who are in the womb of life. It says in the Bible that all of us has a path to do. And that way, alam ko, yun ang preparation natin. All humans are subject to that death, to that grave. Alam natin yan, and we are aware. And the only thing that we have to do now is our preparation to meet the Lord when He comes the second time. In that faith, the secret faith that Father says that we know that Christ has died, Christ has risen, Christ will come again. All of us knows that. So we know already that Christ died already, that He was risen already. So, what will we do now? We have to prepare ourselves. For my sister Vilma, I know that 100% she is already in the hands of the Lord. And her name is written already in the book of life. And when the judgment comes the second time, I'm pretty sure that we will win again. That is all I can share with you. So all of us has to prepare ourselves and be what God has said. That is in the Bible. All our doings here are always based in the Bible. And when we do that, pretty sure we are all there together in that heavenly kingdom God has prepared to us. Amen. Thank you.
Thank you. By the way, one of my brother is also here, and the wife, brother Boy, and our sister-in-law Joy. They are with us. And also our beloved cousin, Bess from La Union, and the daughter, Hannah, are also here with us. And we were so amazed that there are so many kind words and praises regarding our little sister, darling sister. And with that, we are already comforted with all the kind words and the stories and tanan-tanan na gisulti ninyong bahin sa iya. Murag na comfort na yun me. And we are so much thankful for yung pag-embrace na ninyo sila din sa Ozamis. Originally, we are not from here, but because of the work of my brother-in-law, na-assign sila dito. So, even that the children already grown up here, and Ozamis embrace them very much here. So, this is their home already, and we are so much lucky that my sister rest in peace here in Ozamis. So I give the floor to the sons. First, the eldest son, together with the wife here, who are both working, bankers also working in Metrobank, Jodine.
Good evening, everyone. So, first and foremost, Binisaya ka lang ko, okay, English na na-bothered ko sa kong auntie, mga konyo, magod sila. So, medyo taglish na lang ko para masabtan ko sa kong wife. So, first, sa mga wala pa kailan ako, Justin
Kailan
Morris, also known as Chodim. So, ako ang eldest son ni Mami Bing. Na-realize mo na ako karon na si Mami today akong favorite na Mami. Kay, syempre ako mo siyang Mami. So, ako lang masulti is thank you sa pag-embrace ninyo na mo. As what Auntie Nor said, originally we are not from here. So, yung humidity, year 2000, so 23 years ago, stranger din mi diri ba sa Ozamis. And yet, ang friends, mga colleagues ni Pop, wow, Pop, millennial thing. So, i-embrace ninyo, i-dawat ninyo. So, thank you very much. Ang ako lang maingon is, May, ay kabalaka, bayaran na taka sa pangungutang ninyo. Sawa mo kabalong, nangutang mo ko ni Mami ko. Medyo naman siya. But, for the past weeks, days na nako diri, na-touch akong heart dito kay sa mga tao na nakabalo sa nahitabo sa akong mother, where na-realize na ko na katong buhi pa siya, dagan din siya na-touch na lives. Like, sa simple lang na magtagbo daw sa dalan, simple hi, simple hello, para dahil sa uban, big deal na sa ilaha ba. So, murag, na ko sa gibuhat bitaw ni Mami na all walks of life na-touch niya ba. So, ang ako lang ma-promise is akong i-continue ang iyang nasugdan dito na merag legacy na kita day tanan din sa kalibutan, pantay-pantay ang kita tanan. Mupod akong ikon ni Mami kay every time ako daw na makakita niya, very jolly, gano'n na may sa pamati bitaw na merag ang iyang outlook daw sa life kay very positive. So, akong i-continue ang pan. Yeah, mi ayaw nakagol kay si Daddy. Amo nang nangita nami home for the aged ba to din? Amo nang ikuan. But kidding aside, just wanted to say thank you sa kwan. Yeah, sama Mrs. Sulti pa ka? Wanted to give the floor sa ako ang elder brother. Sa ako ang
Brother. Only brother.
only brother, which is karon na po daw na-realize, favorite brother.
So, no, may gabi sa tanan. So, sa mga wapakailan ako, no, so, ako dahil si Justin Lawrence. So, ako, angkol ko, dili ako ang favorite yun na anak ko. Kabalo ko, ikaw may favorite ni Mami. So, pero kabalo ko na ako ang kamukha ni Mami. Yun, ako ang kamukha ni Mami. So, ako na pong mastorya bahin ng Mami dyan, no, kay kung nauso pa siguro ang term na marites sa una, si Mami yun ang muangkol anak na titulo. Kaya siya rag yun, murag mo agree ang tanan, na si Mami ang pinakamarites sa tanan. Bisan pa ang unsa na balita, balos Mami. Mura pa, lupig pa ang NBI. Kung namoy kailangan, si Mami yung ayaw gits mga kailangan. Pero may akong mastorya sa kong mother kay ako ay wamgit ko ni Hawa diri sa Lamis, no. I stay here, I grew up here, and I've been with her yun. And every morning, before kumulakaw sa work, pasalamat siya na ako, no. Mawagin na akong dili malimtan sa yaa kay pasalamat siya kay sayang kinabuhi natagaan daw na ako siya apo. Mawagin ang itatak sa akong heart kay always ginya ingon before kumulakaw ingon siya, "Sean, thank you kay naabot si Lorenzo sa iyang life kay para niya murag dako na kay na regalo daw na nahatag na ako sa iya." So, ako na pong mastorya kay may sa tanan yun, sa tanan na buhat ko na ako yun na mga shortcomings bitaw because nagi times mag-argue a lot ni Mami kay murag kami manggod ang pareng batasan bitaw, so magsungkat sige mig-away yun ni Mami murag walay panahon yun po siguro na may maglalis sige po maglalis niya pero mag-uli na po mi kay murag mo may tudlo niya namo na dili lang magdumot nana. So ako I want to say sorry lang sa mga shortcomings na ako, pero magpasalamat po ko because sa tanan nimong gitudlo sa mua sa akong brother, and ay nakabalaka because kami na ibahala ni Daddy sama sa gingon sa nihaya kanina, pero akong buhaton din ni Daddy kay ipaihaw na ako sa Daddy ay kung gahi siya ulo murag kasabot na gyud ko sa ilang gibate for ilang ka years na married mo, murag asin ako nagipuy mo, ako yung magdalaan na pero ay kabalaka because murag makaya lang ako. So to our to all our friends, close friends, families, thank you po for all your comfort, all your support to be here with us. And I know she is in a great place na po, kabalutan na happiness ma'am. Thank you and good evening.
Speaking of legacy, nag-ingon ba yan yung iyang daughter-in-law? Mag-resign na lang po sa bangko. Mano mag-resign ka? Kay sayang man ang legacy ni Mami. Kaya abi na mo mapolitik mo na siya. Kaya from the governor, the congressman, down to the barangay. One yun siya. Natingala galing mi karong nasa hospital siya. Nay, taghatod sa balay o mga pagkahamon. Libre. Kay gihatag ko nun ng amiga, gihatag ko nun ng asawa ni Juan politiko, ganyan. So thank you kaayo, mga ingon ng iyang daughter-in-law, sayang yun ang networking ni Mami. Kaya, mag-resign na lang dyan ko, ingon ko niya. Oh. Ngayon, ang last but not the least, our beloved brother-in-law, our favorite ba yan ni Manang Purapot? Favorite ba? Favorite kita? Oh, favorite ko na ako kay parehas ramaming banker. Mga retired na, mga senior. So, muhilang nakakaroon, Brad. Pwede mo sa muhilak. Ingon na mo, hilak na good pa.
Good evening, everybody. First and foremost, I would like to thank Father Timmy for deciding the Mass for me. For that, I will be forever grateful. I would like to thank also my favorite sister-in-law, Manang Pura, Soriano Pagsaligan, Leonor Soriano Mendoza,
Favorite ko.
favorite also. Big's cousin, Manang Bess, her daughter, Hannah, of course, my two sons, no, not two sons yet, my brother-in-law, Rocolo Soriano, and sister-in-law, Joy. Of course, my two sons, Justin Maurice and Giselle, Justin Lawrence and Marcel, and my favorite apo. Where is he? Where is he? Javier Lorenzo. We call him Enzo Chun Chun. Of course, I would like to thank all my Masonic brothers from Palilang Lots 239. To all my friends and relatives, again, thank you so much for your support. Good evening.
So with that, we would like to say thank you very much for coming, and thank you for your continuous support with them. Kasi pauli naman yun mi, balik naman yun mi sa among mga balay. So, kamunay bahala sa akong brother-in-law, akong favorite brother-in-law, o ang akong favorite nephew. Favorite ba ka na ako, Judin? Di manang pura namang katingali. O, kamunay bahala sa ila. Okay, thank you very much. And again, thank you, Father, to me for deciding the Mass.